Blog
And
title means meta title.
sorry,
Best digital marketing tools in Hyderabad.
yes, yes, you can use it, but a title should be like a bit longer than the one you said. So
Okay.
this is just like a hint for you. You can use this topic, or you can like take anything else, but you have to make something related to digital marketing tools. That is the basic idea for it. Okay.
Okay.
And all the answers are short only, and like two to three lines only. And we discussed like about what is white hat SEO. Then you have to mention the three techniques which are used in white hat SEO, and lastly you have to mention the SEO friendly blog title. You have to write SEO friendly blog title, and the main topic is best digital marketing tools or the tools used in digital marketing. So all of like the title should be revolving around this only. And deliverable, you have to write short responses in document. And finally, in 3 to 5 lines, you have to mention like what did you learn from this activity, or what did you enjoyed most in this activity. And submission, it should be in Word, PDF, or any image format, and the name. And this is very important. The name of the file should be your name, then this topic, then this thing. So only you have to replace this your name by your actual real name, and you have to submit it before 10.
Ma'am,
Okay.
once
Yes.
come up, ma'am.
Yes.
This write one SEO friendly blog title for a topic like best digital marketing tools. Can you frame any other example so that I can understand it?
So you can, for example, I can say top five digital marketing tools used in 2025. So this is a blog title.
Okay.
Got it? So I'm
Uh,
talking about digital marketing tools only. But I
okay.
have replaced the best word with top, and then I have added key like in 2025. So
Best
this,
digital marketing tools used in India.
yes, you can go for it, but try to like make titles more impressive, more like short and crisp, like you can say crisp, like more
Best
catchy.
digital marketing tools
You,
trending now.
yes, you can use that. Because today everything is revolving around if it catches your attention. So you have to make titles in a such way that it catches the attention of the viewer, the person who is viewing it. Okay.
Okay.
Madam, I'm not understanding what you are given questions.
Subhash, I am explaining the assignment over here, the assignment which I uploaded on the portal. I texted in the WhatsApp group that I have uploaded an assignment on the Prayug portal. So this is a White Hat SEO basics assignment. So I quickly brief you about this. Like you have to write in 2 to 3 lines in your own words. No chat GPT, no Google, no AI, nothing. You just have to use your language to write what is your understanding for White Hat SEO.
No, we are
After
not understanding, madam. We are not understanding. Please explain all the things again.
what exactly you want me to explain?
No,
So this is
why
an
can't you explain?
assignment. You have to work on it. Like White Hat SEO we discussed in the last
See,
class.
madam, one class, how can we understand? That is only you are going some definitions like you were telling. How can we understand all these things immediately?
I agree with that, but you
Yeah.
have a fair understanding about what is White Hat SEO. Even
No,
I,
at least you see you complete that types of this one hat SEO like that. You should tell me so we can understand.
Subhash, we have already discussed about White Hat SEO. Today we will brief like all we will go through it again.
Yeah,
But
please.
I'm like I have given the timeline till 10, so you will be having enough time to to learn from the recorded sessions as well. And I have already explained in the class. You have enough time for that. And
First, first we understand the things.
yeah,
Yes.
I
The,
understand. This
the
is like
initial,
this.
the initial you give the assignment means what we are going to do. You will say that you should not copy any Google. You should not copy any books. You should not. So first we understand the things. No.
Subhash, I already asked you in the last class,
Yeah,
like
same thing I told last class also. You're not understanding properly. Madam. Please explain with examples.
I have given the examples in the last class. So I'll repeat again. Don't
Yeah, please.
worry. I'll repeat White Hat SEO again. Let me explain the assignment to you first. Is that fine for you? Subhash, I am asking something to
Ma'am,
you.
one thing you do, today's class you continue, later you explain the assignment so that he can understand.
Yeah.
That is only what I'm asking, but he's not responding. I just asked him if
Deliverable.
I should explain the assignment first or should I go to the White Hat SEO
See,
first.
what is that? The deliverable short return responses. What is that?
Sorry?
In our assignment, deliverable short return responses
So
in
that's what I will be like. I will be coming to that. So should I, Suvash, I'm asking to you, should I explain the assignment first, or do you want me to explain White Hat SEO first?
see assignments means at least we know the things, but we know the subject. Okay.
I totally agree with you, but this
Yeah.
is a thing which we already discussed in the class, and
So,
I'll.
no, in class also I told I'm not understand. I'm not understand. Please explain again. You told that okay. You see, the next class
But
we.
no, I explained it to you. When you said you didn't understand, I explained it
Yeah.
to you. Sure, no issues. Let me explain the assignment first, and then we will move to White Hat SEO.
Okay. Okay.
So basically, the main concept of this assignment is like it is the base only. You don't have to do like much hard and fast thing. Like Shri and I were discussing, and she instantly made answers for these three questions. So these are mainly the questions, and you have to just answer to them in 2 to 3 lines only. So firstly, you have to answer what is White Hat SEO, and everything I need is your own work because this is for your benefit only. Like I want to understand what are your learnings through like all of the classes through this course. I don't want you to copy or paste it from anywhere. Like even if you are having some issues while doing the assignment, I'll be there to help you. So don't worry of writing the wrong answers or anything. I like it's totally fine for me if you are writing something wrong, if you are not understanding anything. Okay. So then you have to explain what is White Hat SEO. After that, you have to give only name any three techniques which we use in White Hat SEO. Not you don't have to explain, you don't have to do anything, you just have to name them. And then you have to write a good SEO friendly blog title based on this thing. Like you can use best digital marketing tools.
No, what
Like,
is that? Madam?
sorry.
SEO friendly blog title
Yeah,
means what?
I'm coming to that. I'm coming to that. So the main concept is to use the digital marketing tools word, and SEO friendly blog title is the title which consists which is of 50 to 60 characters. And if you are using any keyword, for example, this is my best digital marketing tools is my keyword, then I should use only one keyword in blog title. So this is the main idea behind that.
No, blog means it's a software.
Blog is like article. You write articles, blogs. So that blog title we are talking about. You understand like what are the articles? You read articles, I guess, and blogs. So those blog title I am talking about.
No, give an example, madam. What is that?
One second.
Because we are newly coming, this subject
No,
means
but blog is something I guess you have read about. Like, Like you have read any articles in the newspaper?
Yes, okay.
Have you read any article in the newspaper? Subhash, I'm asking something.
Yes, okay. The many articles, yes.
Yes, same as I guess you have read any blogs as well. I'll show you on the Prayug's website. One second. So this is the blog section of Prayug. Here you will see multiple articles on like various topics. Let it be like AI or any Java or digital marketing or anything. So these are all the blogs. So this is the blog title, and this is all of the things related to this title written over here is the blog content basically. So now you understand what is blog?
Is only heading of the matter.
Yes, heading of the blog, like it is the title. So this is the title. Okay, this is the body of the blog.
Okay.
Okay, so it is something which is related, like kind of article only. Now you understand what is blog?
Okay. There is a title of the this one information. Hello.
Now you understand what exactly it is?
No, it's a title of the information.
Yes, so basically the blog is something which like a long format of explaining something what exactly it is.
No, you were written. Rate one SEO friendly blog title means what?
Suvash, I just like I mentioned that what is SEO friendly. I told you what exactly is SEO friendly thing, and now I have showed you the blog as
Okay.
well.
Subject
Uh,
is this one best marketing.
so you have to like make a title on this topic. The
Okay.
topic
Okay.
should be this.
Okay.
And you have to write only short responses and in document form, like in Word file or anything. And after that, you have to just do let me know what you enjoyed most about this activity or what is your learning in this activity. And while naming your file, you should write your name. For example, as your name is Subhash, you should like write your name Subhash, White Hat SEO task. Like this, you have to name your
Oh,
file
oh,
according to this. And the deadline for
Ma'am,
the same.
we can do in Notepad also.
Yes, you can do that in Notepad also. And you have to submit it till 10th of April. I hope the assignment is clear to you.
oh.
Any queries for both of you, Subhash and Shri?
No, madam.
No, ma'am.
Should I continue with the topic now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shri, do you want, will you give a try to explain what White Hat SEO to Subhash? Like, let's interact, make this
Please, madam.
session more interactive.
White Hat SEO means the techniques which we use in SEO. We use a good guidelines according to the standard guidelines. So this technique usually we do. Otherwise, our website will be penalized by the Google if we don't use white hat technique, white hat SEO techniques. So in that we should use proper content, proper keyword research. Means proper content, quality content means we should not use duplicate content or we should not write improper content. We should use proper keyword research techniques and good optimization strategies.
No, why it is called White Hat SEO?
White hat SEO means why it is
So
called.
white hat SEO is basically like white. Don't go with the name white only. White hat is just a random name given to a technique of SEO, like how you do SEO. So white hat SEO is considered as the most ethical type of SEO technique. So that's why you can say it like it is given the name white hat SEO. Otherwise, we have black hat SEO, which is not good to do, like not ethical. So that's why it is given the name black hat SEO. And then we have gray, which is a mixture of white hat and black hat. So you can say that's why it's gray. So don't go with the name. It's just a technique. Remember, it's just a SEO technique which we do, like which we use while in being in the guidelines of Google, like the guidelines which are given. So there are various guidelines given by Google and they keeps on changing. So we have to keep updating on that. And
Ma'am,
all of these
small
things,
question.
yes.
What is meant by structured data markup, ma'am?
So structured
Clear.
data markup, we even discussed in the last class as well. So this is something related to the coding of the website. So like you don't have too much focus on this because this is done by the I will, done by our developer only. So, but I'll give you a brief about what exactly it is. So it is basically we call it schema markup as well. So structured markup. We will learn about all of these things in the brief, like in proper detail in the coming classes as well. But I'll brief you about it is a proper format about web pages and it is also the content for search engines. So this is basically some kind of information for web pages and it is for like given to the search engine so they know what exactly what kind of content is there present on that web page, particular page of a website. I hope that makes sense, like it clears something.
No, ma'am.
So a structured markup, how can I say? See, we have a book. Okay. So a book has pages. So think of a book as a website. Okay.
Okay.
So book has multiple pages and multiple pages has multiple information. Same goes with website and website has web pages and web pages have information in them.
Okay.
Okay. So structured markup or schema markup is something which is known as a structured type of data, a data in a proper aligned manner, which gives a proper information about what the page is about. We have index in books, if you have,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah. So that is index is, they give us information what exactly this book contains.
yeah,
Yes, and same goes with
yeah.
structured data. So it is kind of index which tells the search engines what this web page consists of or what this website consists of. I hope it is
Okay.
clear now. Subhash, it is clear to you?
No, cleared, but basic way we can give the examples, madam.
I just gave example and that's only I understand, like
Yeah,
explained it to you.
because
I
now the basic, no, this is basic we can understand properly. That's why I'm asking.
because all of these things you are seeing in this picture, we will discuss about these things in future also. So we will like in detail will learn about these things. So
Yes,
that's why I'm not like putting more emphasizes on these terms because we will be working on these things. So that's why I'm the main idea here is to let you understand what are the three techniques of white hat SEO. Because like then only you will be able to do proper SEO.
yes, yes,
Okay. I
yes.
hope the structured data markup is clear to you now.
No, actually, you say the legitimate optimization strategies, sir.
Sorry.
White Hat SEO is a legitimate optimization strategies. You know in the information.
So legitimate is basically when we do like optimization. So working on these strategies in a proper, like being in proper rules and regulations. So legitimate is when you stick to the rules and regulations. So this is, try to
Of,
understand the meaning of this legitimate
of the
word. So
Google.
this is when, sorry.
Of the Google is given rules and
Yes,
regulations. We are following
yes, yes,
regularly for
yes,
this legitimate optimization of strategies.
yes.
Okay. But
So
Google is
White
given
Hat,
quality of content, proper keyword and research. This ranking is given by the Google, madam.
Subhash,
Yeah.
listen to me now. Don't go with each term, because we will be doing SEO techniques like SEO activities. Then only like practically you will understand.
Yes.
The basic idea here is to, but just understand what is White Hat is SEO.
Okay. Okay.
That's it.
Oh, okay, madam. Okay.
Okay. Because you will get confused if I explain each and every term to you in an elaborative way.
Okay.
Because the terms which I'm not elaborating here will be you will be doing practical on them in future. So that's why I'm not wasting time on elaborating them here, and you will automatically understand all of these terms when you will do practical things.
Okay.
Now you understand why I am rushing towards the practical thing.
No, no. Actually, what you are given, these are all are the new concepts to me. I don't know because of, many of the persons they are the jobs the same field. I'm a different field, no? That's why I'm asking these each things.
I understand. I understand that. That's why I just like brief you about what exactly it is, so that you get a fair or rough idea about what exactly it is. So I'm not going in depth of those terms.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
legitimate means meaning what, ma'am? Really,
Legitimate is something like when you conform to the rules or laws or regulations of something. So basically we are optimizing, like we are using optimization strategies which are according to the rules and regulations of the search engines, for example Google. So that is when we work according to the rules and regulations. So that is legitimate.
No, actually,
Okay.
legitimate is legally binding the rules and regulations.
Yes, that is. I just explained it in normal language. Like rules and regulation is the main thing. Like we work according to the rules and regulation, right? So that is the main thing we have to understand.
Because illegitimate and legitimate, illegitimate in the legal language, it's a they're not followed by the rules and regulation. It's a illegitimate. Legitimate is the following rules and regulations. Right, madam?
ma'am, can you go on, ma'am?
Okay, please continue.
Like this way, we will not be even complete one slide. If I'll explain like each term in like this elaborative from the past 10 minutes, I guess we are working like discussing only legitimate. Please, students, understand that I'm just trying to listen to me properly now. We are discussing things here only theoretically, because I'm just briefing you about all of these things in a not elaborative manner, because we will be working on all of these things in the coming classes. So like if there are things which bothers you, or if there is any term which bothers you, I can explain, but please try not to waste more time on discussing what exactly it is, because I already explained legitimate 3 to 4 times, which is not, I guess, a good idea. In this way, we will not be cover up our syllabus. So now, let me explain everything properly, and please stop me only when you are not understanding anything. don't go with a proper word to like, if like we will not discuss about what exactly it is, its meaning is. So that's that. So I hope you understand what I'm saying.
Yes, ma'am, you go
Okay.
on.
Okay, madam. Okay, madam.
Okay. Okay. So I'll start. So White Hat SEO is basically when you are working on SEO, when you are doing SEO activities, and we will be discussing SEO activities in future. So when you do SEO activities which align with the search engine guidelines, search engine basically Google, Yahoo, Bing. So we have to work according to their guidelines so that it gives good value to the users, the person who is seeing our content and gets a good value from that content, and that content should not be duplicate. The quality of the content should be good, and it should have proper, like we should do proper keyword research. We will do proper keyword research in future. We will see how to do keyword research, and then we use the optimization strategies, the strategies which are under the guidance of any like rules and regulations of any search engine. I hope that is clear now.
Yes, ma'am.
Subhash, is it clear? Please, at least.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So quality content creation is basically when we create content which is relevant to the users, which is of high quality, which add value to the content. And like, for example, if you are seeing any, so let me give an example. If you want to read any blog related to digital marketing scope in 2025, and the content in that blog is not relevant to the topic, so that is not adding any value to your like information. So that is not giving you any information, that is not adding any value to the viewer, which is not a good thing. Do you agree with like both of you agree with me?
Yes, madam.
Yes.
Okay, so we have to create, for example, like digital marketing scope in 2025, and then you will see good information in that blog. So, like the scope is already mentioned, like how is the scope, how you can improve your learnings, and everything. It is giving you useful information. So that is considered as a high quality, a relevant, a valuable content. I hope this point is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Then is keyword optimization. So we will do like proper keyword research while using some tools in coming classes. So we have to do proper keyword research and form a good strategy. How can we use those keywords into the website content, which includes titles, meta description. Meta description is basically, I'll show you now, meta description. One second.
No.
So whenever you like search something, so I have searched this thing, blog on digital marketing. So the title, so this is the title, for example, Neil Patel's digital marketing blog. So this is the meta title which you see on this whole screen. This is the meta title, and it should be between 50 to 60 characters only. And you see this thing. So this is the meta description. It should be between 150 to 160 characters. And this meta title and meta description should include your keyword. One keyword should be included in this, and 1 to 2 keywords should be included in meta description. And the heading which is mentioned, like the headings. So the headings which are well, like you see, these are the headings which we use, for example, in headings in website. So all of these things should be in a proper manner, and keywords should be included in our titles, meta description, in our content. So
So
that's
meta description means
how
what,
we
madam?
should do keyword. Meta description, you see this blue highlighted thing
Hello?
here also. Hello, Subhash. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. What is the meta description? Description is only information, huh? Meta description is
Yes, this is the highlighted part you see in any website like this thing. This is
okay.
the meta description.
Highlighting
Like
information.
on like below. No. I just highlighted it you for so that you can see it. Like any website. For example, this is the HubSpot blog website. This is the meta title. Behind it, you will see a proper description. This thing is considered as the meta description.
Okay.
And you will see this in every website.
Okay. Okay.
You see the here. So these are the meta descriptions. Then is on-page optimization. On-page optimization is basically the on-page activities, the activities which we do on our website so that we can improve our website so that it should be good looking and it should like load on time. Anything and everything we do on our website is considered as on-page activity or on-page optimization. And we will be learning how to do on-page SEO in the coming classes. So I'll just brief you about what is let's say on-page elements. So on-page elements is basically the title tags, the meta descriptions we just discussed, headers I showed you, URLs. URL is basically, for example, this is the URL of the blog page of Prayug. So URL
What is
should be
meant by URL,
properly
madam?
optimized. Our URL, you see this link over here, this website link. Are you able to see my screen?
Huh?
URL means when you want
Shri,
to go to any website,
Shri, are
the
you
link.
able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shri, are you
Yeah,
able to see my
yes,
screen?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I
Okay,
can see.
Subhash, URL is something, the full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. So it is the address of a website. So you
Okay.
see the highlighted part. This is the address of the website, which is very unique. And every web page has a different URL, like web page. I'll open this page. So this is so you see now it has different, this web page has different URL. So every URL has a different every web page has a different URL, a unique URL. So this is the address of that web page, basically.
That is the URL of
Okay.
this page. Okay.
Yes. And internal linking is basically, for example, let me show you. So internal linking is when you, yes, you see we have this contact us page. Internal linking is when we link a website page to the other website page. Like if I click on this contact us, it will redirect me to the contact us page. So this is basically considered as one of the types of interlinking. So all of these on-page activities are done so that we can improve the search engine visibility and the users can easily access to our website.
Okay.
Then is high quality backlinks. So high quality backlinks is something when like we will be working on how we can create high quality backlinks. So this we will be like working soon on it. Then high quality backlinks is earning backlinks from like authoritative and relevant websites. So there are websites which are very good, which have a good domain authority, basically. So we will discuss all of these things in future. So I'll just brief you about like we have to work on those websites which has a good you can say reputation,
Domain
if I
authority.
can say in simple language, which have a good domain authority. He will not understand right now because I'll be working on like explaining these terms in future. So I'm work using layman language right now. So we have to work on those websites which have a good reputation on like search engines, so that we can get like good backlinks from there, and we can do our content marketing and networking, rather than like using manipulative link scheme. So we don't have to do any bad things in White Hat SEO, because the uh, main focus is on ethical part only. So we don't have to do any unethical thing. So that's why we have to use high quality backlinks only. Then it's social media marketing. Social media marketing is when we utilize social media platforms. We have multiple social media platforms. For example, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, which is X now, Pinterest, YouTube, and multiples are there. So we have to share content over there, engage with the audience if our audience is like commenting or direct messaging us or sharing our stories, then we have to reply to all of these things so that we can attract more and more traffic or more and more people to our social media profiles. So the ultimate goal is this only.
Madam,
Then
here
is
try.
user experience optimization.
Madam, you use the traffic
Yes.
word is only this.
Traffic is like website traffic is something when when someone visit our website, that is considered as website traffic. Like how many people are visiting our website is considered as website traffic.
Okay.
Then is user experience optimization. So user experience optimization is improving the website visibility, like how how much is website are used, and how much time is taking for one web page to open. And then if I can move from one page to another, and the main idea is to improve the user experience, like how much like happy is our user with the experience. For example, if I go from this page to this, so this is the navigation part, like how quickly I'm moving from one thing to another on a website. That is considered as very important. For example, if I am opening this page, like if it is loading or not, and how much time it is taking to load. So these are all the things which matters when we work on a website. Then is proper HTML markup language, which we discussed just now, like what is HTML. HTML is basically hypertext markup language. It is the basic standard of languages for like how we create the web pages. This is the main like the thing which is mainly done by the developers. This is kind of our part, but we don't have to go deep into this. Okay, so we have to use clean and semantic HTML markup so that we can make our website easily crawlable. Crawlable is I say like Google has multiple like three main things. Like the search engine has main three things: crawling, then our indexing, then is ranking. So when we work on something, so when we form a website, then Google bots, like the robots or the spiders, we call them. Google have multiple bots. So they like search engine have multiple bots. So they come to our website, they check what exactly like when they come to our website, that is considered as crawling. So crawling is when they come to our website and see what exactly information our website consists of. So that is they crawl it. And then they index it. Like, yes, this indexing is when they store that information in their like storage, that yes, this website consists of this information, and like when we do SEO on them and it gets ranked, like whenever someone searches, for any keyword related. For example, I searched for blogs on digital marketing, then multiple website opens and they were on a ranking. So that rank is based on the SEO activities we do. I hope that makes sense. Shirish, Subhash, have you got what is crawling,
Crawlable is, I
indexing,
think,
and ranking?
stored information. Crawlable is
Crawling,
stored
crawling
information.
is basically when search engine bots, these bots come to our website, read our website content, and then they basically store it in their storage system. That is crawling, basically. Okay. Then is local SEO strategies. Local SEO strategies is when you have a physical presence of your business, you do local SEO for that. So you list your, we have Google My Business listing. I will show you. So in the right side of the screen here, you see this is the Google My Business listing of Prayug. Here you see there are reviews, website, direction, reviews. You can share call, address, phone number, working hours, and then reviews here, then the content, everything, the social media handles. So this is the profile of Google My Business of Prayug. So we have to, when you have a physical presence of any business, you have to make a local listing for your business, which is on Google My Business. And then you have to like obtain the local citation for the same.
Local citation means what, ma'am?
Local citation is basically like the name, address, and phone number you see. Name, address, and like getting the name, address, and phone number, everything. The name, address, phone number. When you mention your business name, so citation, please try to understand. In SEO, citation refers to when you like refer to your business name, business address, like this address, and business phone number. Okay, NAP, we basically say it, NAP, NAP, name, address, phone number. Is
Madam,
it clear?
HTML you told, no? HTML, but HTML is a programming language or what?
No, we are not talking about HTML. We are talking about Google My Business now.
No. The same is a proper HTML markup.
HTML we earlier talked about. Now we are talking about the local SEO.
No, okay, local SEO, okay. But HTML is programmable or programming?
I didn't understand what you are saying.
The HTML you say, no, HTML markup, proper HTML markup.
It is like it is a markup language we use.
Markup language.
Yes. So this is basically a language for documents which are designed to be displayed on web browser. So that things are displayed on web browser. It is a there are proper documents for that.
That is required for this course, madam. This is required for me also. HTML.
The basic thing, the HTML thing is done by the documents. The HTML part is prepared by the developer only. But you should have a fair idea about what is HTML. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Now we were talking about HTML with Google My Business.
Okay.
That is clear to you now.
Yes, madam. Definitely.
Then is monitoring and analysis. So you have to regularly monitor your website's performance, your search engine ranking, your traffic metrics, how many traffic is coming to you, how the users are behaving, if the users are like visiting your pages properly or not, if they are going like going back from the website quickly. You have to work on it, and you have to identify all of the areas which need to be improved, and then you have to adjust your strategies according to those areas only, like those improvements only. Then
So,
example, we discussed of White Hat SEO is like a company which regularly publishes informative blog posts related to their industry. For example, like we are working on in a tech, like education sector. Then we regularly post, just showed you that we regularly post, where it is, one second. We regularly post blogs related to education things only, like the courses or how is the scope and everything related to education only, like Google search, Central Live, and everything is related to education only. So there is a company which regularly publish informative blogs related to their industry, and they ensure that they give a valuable insights. I told you that the blog should be valuable. It should add value to like whoever is reading it. For example, if we have this blog, Best Artificial Intelligence Course in Lucknow, industry-oriented AI certification. So you will see how, like, what you will learn in AI course, why you should try for AI learning in Lucknow, and then you will see career opportunities for after completing AI courses. Why students should pursue AI training in Lucknow, and what are the outcomes from that. So everything is in a systematic manner, and everything is related to like what the viewer or the reader must be like wanting to read in this article blog. So they ensure valuable insight to their audience while adding, like incorporating or adding relevant keywords naturally. So I'll show you. Here you will see the keywords are blended naturally. Like for example, this is my keyword, Best Artificial Intelligence Course in Lucknow. You will see in the left corner, left bottom, there will be a URL. So this is the URL which if I click on this, then a web page will be opening for the same. And we have so this is blended naturally. If you will read this line, this is not like I have forcefully added the keyword here. You will see the best artificial intelligence course in Lucknow at Prayug.com is your way to cash on this book. So this is blending naturally with the content. So the main idea behind adding the keyword is this only, that it should blend properly with your content. Then they also engage in outreach on backlinks from reputable websites. So the backlinking, the link building they are doing, so they are doing it from a reputable website, the website which have a good reputation. So this is the example of White Hat SEO. I hope that is clear. White
So
Hat
what is meant
SEO.
by no? What is meant by backlinks?
Backlinks, like this is on off-page SEO, which we'll be discussing. So there are backlink. If I, in simple terms, I say when you get links from other website to your website.
Okay.
Okay. So this is a layman language definition for backlinking. We will be soon working on them. Okay.
Ma'am, still how much time, ma'am? I have some work to do
Yeah,
outside.
I was about to complete, like, wind up this session because we are over the time.
Yeah.
So I hope White Hat SEO is clear to both of you. Now,
Yeah.
will you be able to do the assignment?
Yes, ma'am.
What about you, Subhash?
Okay, madam.
Okay. Okay, then please complete your assignment on time. And I'm very strict about timings. I'll not accept any assignment after 10. So I'll be very clear
Okay.
about it. Okay.
No,
So,
no, we can,
and
madam.
yes.
That is in the word only. We can enter this assignment.
Yes, you can use open a new Word file and you can write your answers in that.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you both of you for joining today's class. We'll
Thank
see
you,
you in
madam.
the next class.
Thank you.
Thank you.